Are you looking for how to fix marketplace messages not showing on Messenger? In this video, I show you how to fix marketplace messages not showing on Messenger problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Messenger, tap on Messenger, update Messenger if available any update version, and go to Settings, scroll down, then tap on Apps. Now search for Messenger, tap on Messenger, tap on Storage, tap on Clear Data, tap on Delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Messenger app. Log into your account. Now tap on three dot menu. Now tap on Marketplace. Now I hope that this method fix marketplace messages not showing on Messenger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.